Don't forget to subscribe to Jolly Jelly Toys.
Hey guys, today we are doing our Suicide Squad Harley Quinn winners video, squad goals. So let's take a look at the toys that we have first. So we have Joker, Deadshot with the mask. We have Rick Flag. We have Magnetic Harley Quinn, and she's got the Harley Quinn costume. We have Harley Quinn from the club. We have Killer Croc. We have Captain Boomerang. And we have the Suicide Squad keyring. And we have the Suicide Squad logo card. Alright, so the first swag we have is the cuffs. And we have two of them because they're a pair. And see who wins. You're turning it, and here's a yellow one. We open it up, and the winner is Tandy Cortez. So this is why we have subscribers win, because you can watch the video and easily know that you've won and to contact me. But giveaways are for subscribers only, so if you are not a subscriber, you are not eligible, and this will go to the next person. Let's look at the next video. This is the pudding choker that Harley Quinn wore in the entire Suicide Squad video. Not the same one, but a replica. Yeah. Let's see who won. This is a pink ball now. And the winner is Amethyst. So Amethyst, let us know, and you will get the pudding choker. I know that she's definitely a subscriber, and that she would definitely really like the choker. So do I. And finally, we have the Goodnight Bat and the Harley Quinn Diamonds necklace. There are the Harley Quinn Diamonds. There's the Goodnight Bat. Let's see who's gonna get it. Oh, another red one. This one is Barbara Webb. Oh, she loves the necklace. Excellent. Well, we do too. Okay, so
don't forget to subscribe to Jolly Jelly Toys.